Hi guys, if you want to improve your spoken English, you need to watch this video till the end because I'm going to make you practice. As usual, I come up with the topic and make you practice. Today, I'm also going to make you practice because I believe in practicing. If you also practice every single day without fail, you can speak English as quickly as possible. Okay? Apart from that, you need to listen to people whom you love to listen. You need to find anybody whom you can speak with. That's okay too. Okay, so get on YouTube and find any podcast, listen to people. Of course, you should be listening in order to be effective in English. Okay, and this will work for you. So stay connected because I'm going to make you practice in this session. So let's begin and let's practice sentences using since you. In the place of you can change it. Okay, so let's see some examples. Since you are busy, I will do it myself. Since you don't like coffee, I will order tea. Since you're the boss, you decide it. Since you're the host, you choose the music. Since you're driving, I will navigate. Since you're the expert, I will trust your opinion. Since you like hiking, we can go to the mountains. Since you are interested in art, let's visit the museum. Since you enjoy reading, I can lend you a book. Since you're always late, we miss the train. Since you're so messy, I have to clean up after you. Since you're so noisy, I can't concentrate. So the next topic would be English sentences using as you. Okay, so in the place of you can change it, but I'm just letting you know how you can practice so that you can become fluent in English. Okay, as you are happy, I'm happy too. As you are busy, I will call you later. As you enter the room, please take off your shoes. As you finish your work, we can go out. As you get up, make your bed. As you leave, lock the door. As you grow up, you will understand. As you are saying, I agree with you. As you can see, I am right. As you like it, I will do it. As you please, I will follow you. As you wish, I will obey. The next topic would be will she do as? Will she do as I say? Will she do as I want? Will she do as I think? Will she do as I wish? Will she do as I ask? Will she do as I need? Will she do as I expect? Will she do as I suggest? Will she do as I prefer? Will she do as I hope? Will she do as I plan? Will she do as I order? Will she do as I believe? Will she do as I know? Will she do as I feel? The next topic would be prepositional phrases. Okay, so at. We will use at with examples. Let's see here. At night, the stars are visible at night. At dawn, birds start chirping at dawn. At noon, the sun is directly overhead at noon. At midnight, the city sleeps at midnight. At Christmas, we exchange gifts at Christmas. At the moment, I'm busy at the moment. At once, please come here at once. At home, I feel most comfortable at home. At school, students learn new things at school. At work, employees are busy at work. At the park, children play and have fun at the park. At the cinema, we watch movies at the cinema. At the station, trains arrive and depart at the station. Other prepositional phrases in order to, in case of, in terms of, in relation to, in charge of, in accordance with, in the meantime, in the process of, in response to, in comparison to, in the end. Tomorrow we will publish a video in which we will cover all these topics. Okay, so stay connected and subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification when I publish any video. Now the next topic would be will she take me to? Will she take me to school? Will she take me to the park? Will she take me to the cinema? Will she take me to the shop? Will she take me to the doctor? Will she take me to the restaurant? Will she take me to the library? Will she take me to the beach? Will she take me to the city? Will she take me to the country? Will she take me to the airport? Will she take me to the station? Will she take me to the hotel? Will she take me to the party? Will she take me to the museum? The next topic would be daily use English expression. Would you please? Would you please? Would you please open the door? Would you please pass the salt? Would you please help me with this? Would you please bring me a glass of water? Would you please turn off the light? Would you please lend me your pen? Would you please close the window? Would you please wait a moment? Would you please speak louder? Would you please sit down? Would you please stop talking? Would you please listen to me? Would you please come here? Would you please go away? Would you please hurry up? Next one is, does she help me? Does she help me cook? Does she help me clean? Does she help me study? Does she help me work? Does she help me shop? Does she help me drive? Does she help me swim? Does she help me dance? Does she help me sing? Does she help me play? Does she help me eat? Does she help me sleep? Does she help me talk? Does she help me walk? Does she help me run? Thanks for watching this video. See ya. Bye bye. Have a good day.